So it's still YOTV 28, but I wanted to come out into the snow because it's snowing now, and it's a pretty good covering actually. Well, at least for the south. So we're trying sledding on this this big cardboard box we had in the garage, and it actually works. We never could get a sled any year, but it actually works. Push me. I'm scared. Push me. More. Push me more. You're going the wrong way.
So you just be okay. Yeah.
Hold on. Sorry, Choco. It was like, Dano's here.
Feel it?
I was there for a second or two. I said, God, what's going on? That's what I keep saying. Oh, Jesus, what's going on? What's going on? What should I do? That's okay.
Your car was facing opposite direction?
No, it was now crossed like this. Crossed the whole highway.
Oh,
like this,
really?
looking this way.
Oh, okay.
That's okay. What should I do? That's okay. Let me bring it back out this way. It won't. I tried to go this way. It won't. That's okay. I put it back in reverse. And I reversed. Thank God the car close to me wasn't too close. I reversed a little bit and put it back straight. It let me. And I start going.
Scary.
Very scary. Not on 285. If it's a Wesley Chapel, that's different. Dada, did I see you outside? Basically, you took him outside with no coat?
No, he was bundled up. He had 3 coats, 2 pants, shoes, a hat, another
What's
jacket.
wrong with my phone? My phone is not... It's not making any calls.
Oh, really? Maybe the lines are down? Does that make sense?
Anybody I try to call, my phone will ring and ring. It wouldn't even ring.
At least you got insurance.
At
least you got insurance. So also you were calling us when it happened?
I was touching. No, even before it happened, I was... Oh, it's ringing now. I was trying to call to make sure that Jennifer is there.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to YOTV 29. It is the second day of the extreme snowstorm in the south. The southern snowstorm. Me and my brother, we're going to go venture out to Kroger. You guys are Obi now. If you did see the video from yesterday, check it out. I introduced my siblings. I'm going to introduce him and my twin sister. We're going to go out to Kroger to get food because we have no food in the house. I'm going to teach you guys how to survive a snowstorm. So, survival tip number 1, get food. So we're out here now. We're gonna make our way down our driveway because we're gonna use our mom's car and she parked on the street. Oh, because of the grass. Oh, where you going? She parked on the street. That's where we're headed. Okay, so hand in hand.
What is that? In the stop. No, it goes off.
But why is it like it's like a skinny animal? Oh, come on! This is sinking into my good shoes. I should have worn my. Why did I wear these? These are my good shoes.
Yeah.
They're just the most newest, so they have a bit more traction. How tight am I gripping your arm right now? Oh no! Wait. It looks pretty out here though. Ooh, look over there. That's nice. We got some stragglers out here who's looking for shelter. They could have been here all night. Stranded. You alright? You good? You good. Got a salt truck up there laying down some salt. Anyway, what does salt even do for snow? Does it how does it I've always wondered. Alright. We're walking. We're sliding. We're ice skating. staples. We got eggs, Cheerios, bread. This is what? Don't need it? Okay. Milk, sausages, cheese, and then we need to head over to Publix because my mom wants cornflakes and they were out of cornflakes here. So we gotta make 2 stops, unfortunately. Hey guys, so survival tip number 2 to surviving a snowstorm is to get your body moving and work out. Survival tip number 3 of surviving a snowstorm is to find awesome YouTube channels and awesome YouTube videos while eating food and watch it. Thank you for watching YOTV 29. You guys see me YOTV 30. Wow, almost a full month of vlogging. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later, okay? Bye.